Hi Glammies, please excuse my voice. I am getting over a cold. But anyways, this is a closure. I'm not gonna wash it because I don't want to rip any hairs that already have a bald spot. So I'm gonna leave that for my stylist or whatever. If she washes it, she doesn't. Okay. So this is a 26-inch body wave. First, I start off with just rinsing the hair, and then I go in with shampoo, just a small amount, and I just gently rub it in. You don't want to be too rough with the hair. You don't want to strip it or anything like that. So just be very gentle. Take your time. Make sure you get in between and just wash those bundles. So I started to notice that you guys aren't seeing like the whole process, and you can't see like the whole bundle and whatnot. But so I'm just fixing my ring light so where you guys can see. And oh. Like I was saying earlier, you don't need to strip your hair. Like you don't want that. So you don't need a comb or anything. So just do a detangle with your hands. Finger detangles are the best. So this is my shortest bundle, which is 22 inches, and the width is pretty thick. This is my first time trying this hair company, so a review will be coming soon, but for the most part the wefts look good and the bundles are pretty thick. After conditioning all my bundles, I'm gonna wash my hands, up my area, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I was a help. Don't forget to subscribe if you like me and you like my content. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.